My dudes, this is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about circle line segments. So in a circle, there's a bunch of different things that can go through it. If it goes through the perfect center and all the way across, we call that the diameter. If it goes through the perfect center and only to the edge, so it's halfway across, we call that the radius. If there's a line that starts on the circle, goes through the circle, and then stops on the other end and does not go through the center, we call that a chord. If a line passes through and does not go through the center, we call that the secant. And if a line passes and touches the circle just once, like a tiny kiss, and makes a right angle, we call that a tangent. Tangents are important because of this right angle that they make. We can then turn them into triangles. And then we can use all of our other rules from our triangles units to figure stuff out. So for example, if I have an exterior tangent, I can then take this through, and I know that this creates a right angle. I know what my radius is. And then if I knew the measure of RS, I could then do a squared plus b squared to find this distance. And then let's say that this was, let's say 5, and then this was 2, this was 2. It would be 2 squared plus 5 squared is equal to c squared. So then I would get 4 plus 25 is equal to c squared, and I'd get 29 is equal to c squared, square root both sides, and then I would get 5.38. So this whole side is 5.38. But I knew the radius was 2, so I subtract 2. So 3.38 is the section from the circle to S. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.